I never thought I would be crying over a dog cuddling his favorite Disney character. Nala recently went viral for napping on Donald Duck's lap during a meet and greet.
Which food would you give to your mother? McDonald's, leave a like. Pizza, subscribe. Broccoli, ignore the video. Lunchly, comment a heart emoji. Donuts, do everything.
Beyond their adorable Disney adventures, Meg and Nala use their social media presence to raise awareness about invisible disabilities, demonstrating that service dogs can be both professional and playful.